In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. This is going to be a detailed guide, walking you through each step clearly so you can follow along effortlessly. We'll cover everything you need to do, from accessing the Figma platform to saving your file locally, ensuring your designs are safely stored on your own system. To start off, let's head over to the Figma website, which is known as a collaborative interface design tool. Figma allows multiple users to work on a single design file simultaneously, making it a popular choice among design teams. Open your web browser and navigate to Figma's official site. If you have an existing account, you're all set to log in. Simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. It's conveniently positioned so you can find it with ease. Enter your login details, that's your email and password, and just press enter or the login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. This is where all your projects reside, neatly organized under various categories like recents and shared with you. If you have many designs, this layout will definitely help keep things manageable. Now let's locate the design file you want to save. Head over to the design tab. This is a fundamental part of Figma where all the creative magic happens. You'll see all your design files on this screen. Find the specific design that you're looking to save. Once you've located it, click on the file to open it up in the design interface. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the main menu icon. It appears as three horizontal lines stacked together, also known as a hamburger menu. Click on it, and a drop-down list of options will appear. From here, you'll want to choose the File option. This action will give you another set of options related to your design file. In the File drop-down, you'll notice an option that says Save Local Copy. This is exactly what you need to select to download your design file onto your local system. Clicking on Save Local Copy prompts a download, allowing you to store the file on your computer. This is especially useful if you need to work offline, or if you prefer having a backup external to Figma's cloud storage. And there you have it, you've successfully saved your Figma design file to your device. Having a local copy can be incredibly handy, especially for presentations or when collaborating offline. By following these steps, you ensure that your work is always readily accessible and preserved according to your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made managing your design files in Figma a much smoother experience. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.